ASUS router keeps rebooting after firmware update. Recovery mode. Step 1. Preparing the recovery mode. First, power off your ASUS router by unplugging the power cable. Locate the reset button on your router. Press and hold the reset button. While still holding it, reconnect the power cable to the router. Step 2. Entering recovery mode. Continue holding the reset button until the power LED on the front of your router starts blinking steadily. It's often blue or green. This indicates that the router has successfully entered recovery mode. Once the LED is blinking, you can release the reset button. Step 3. Connecting your computer. Before proceeding, connect your computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports using an Ethernet cable. Ensure your computer's wired network adapter is configured to obtain an IP address automatically. Disable your computer's Wi-Fi connection to ensure it only communicates with the router via Ethernet. Step 4. Using the ASUS Firmware Restoration Utility. On your computer, open the ASUS Firmware Restoration Utility. In the utility, click Browse and navigate to the firmware file you want to upload. The file will typically be a .trx or a zip format. Step 5. Uploading and restoring firmware. Once you have selected the firmware file, click the Upload button in the Firmware Restoration Utility. The utility will then transfer the firmware to your router. It is crucial not to unplug the router, power it off, or close the utility during this process. The router will automatically reboot once the firmware is successfully uploaded and installed. Wait until the router's LEDs stabilize before attempting to access its web interface.